Hi, spiritual friends. Today, let's talk about powerful manifesting techniques and what words to avoid to supercharge your manifestations. First up, I would like. Well, it's good to express your desires. Saying I would like keeps your desires in the future. Instead, rephrase it with conviction like I am attracting or I am manifesting to claim your desires in the present. Next, I should have. This phrase carries a sense of lack and self-judgment. Replace it with I am grateful for what's coming to shift the focus to abundance and positive expectations. Next up, I hope to. Well, hope is beautiful. It can be passive and uncertain. Empower yourself by using I am confident or I am excited to affirm your belief in what's coming. The next one, I dream of. Dreams are powerful, but this phrase may keep your desires in the realm of fantasy. Use I am creating or I am manifesting to ground your desires in reality and take inspired action. Lastly, I desire. I desire is great, but it can imply a sense of longing. Transform it with I am attracting or I am calling in to summon your desires with intention. Remember, language is powerful. By using affirmative and present tense language, you align yourself with the energy of manifestation. Let's shift our words to shape our reality and create a life of abundance and miracles. Let me know in the comments what you think, and please follow and like for more spiritual and abundance tips. Want more? Grab your free training of 8 essential intentions to manifest anything by clicking on the link in my bio or going to ascension17.com. And have a beautiful day.